Hi everyone, it's Claire at French in the Midlands. Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. I want to have a look at 10 everyday meanings of the verb passer. Passer is a very, very versatile verb. It's got dozens of meanings, but we're concentrating on the main 10 that you need to know. So the first one is to walk or to drive past somewhere. So the example I've given you is tous les matins, je passe devant la poste. Tous les matins, je passe devant la poste, which means every morning, that's tous les matins, I walk or I drive past the post office. The walking or driving is not specified, you're just passing. The second one, very, very important, especially for the students out there, to take an exam. So passer un examen does not mean to pass, it just means you took it. So example I've chosen is je passe mon bac la semaine prochaine. I'm taking my A-levels next week, not I am passing. Je passe mon bac la semaine prochaine. Now bac is short for baccalauréat. You're probably familiar with this word. It's roughly our equivalent of your A-levels. Meaning number 3, to make a phone call. See, in French, we pass a phone call. So you would say, je passe un coup de téléphone à ma mère. Je passe un coup de téléphone à ma mère, which means I'm phoning my mother, or I'm giving my mother a buzz, if you like. So un coup de téléphone is a phone call, and it's passer, not to make. Meaning number 4, to spend time. You probably heard people say, on passe nos vacances à la mer cette année. On passe nos vacances à la mer cette année. So this year we are spending a holiday by the sea. Cette année is this year. You see, where you say to spend time in English, it's to pass time in French. Number 5, to pass as in to go by. So you may have heard people say, le temps passe vite. Time goes by quickly. Le temps passe vite. Number 6. This one is probably rather obvious when you hear it. You will hear people say things like, elle passe du français à l'anglais sans effort. She switches from French to English effortlessly. So passer du à, especially, is to pass from to, so to switch from to, basically. Number 7, to move on. You will hear that a lot in conversation, or if you attend meetings at work, people say, okay, passons à autre chose. Let's move on. Number 8, to move. Now, we'll use it a lot. Say you've got guests and you're chatting in the lounge, and suddenly the host says, on passe à table? Shall we sit down to eat? So they'll say, on passe à table? Number 9, to go through or to drive through somewhere. So if you say something like, on va passer par le centre-ville, on va passer par le centre-ville, it means we are going to drive through the town centre. Number 10, to drop by. Je passe chez toi à 5 heures. Je passe chez toi à 5 heures. I'll drop by your house at 5 o'clock. And that's it for now. That's our 10 meanings of passer. As usual, if you want more videos or need more information, just go to my website, frenchinthemidlands.com, and I'll see you in the next video.